Hello there and welcome to this video. It's Saturday the 21st of February 2009 and I'm here at the Cambridge University Wireless Society for a couple radio contests this weekend. There's actually two contests on at the moment which I'm going to be concentrating on. The first of them is the ARRL CW contest. That's an American Morse code contest. The bands aren't open at the moment to America, so we'll be concentrating initially on the REF contest, which is the French national contest, and that's on voice. Now, the aim of the contest is to make a radio contact with each of the 100 or so départements, the local administrative units that make up France and its overseas territories. Now obviously French speakers have a bit of an advantage in this, but there's also another interesting twist in the rules, which is that stations in France get 3 points for making contacts with each other, but only 1 point for making a contact from France to the rest of Europe. So obviously those of us who aren't in France have got to work that little bit harder, because it's not always in the French station's interest, if they're trying to get a high score, to make contacts with us. So the rig's an FT1000MP with a quadrilinear, and wind test is all set up and ready to go, so let's see how we get on. Mike 0, Bravo, Lima, Foxtrot. Ok, merci pour le 86, je vous passe 59 00 unités. QSOs 73. So yes, in this contest I'm just sending to the station in France 59 followed by a incrementing serial number, so starting with 001 then 002, 3, 4, 5 etc. And they are sending back to me 59 followed by the 2 digits of the département number. Mike 0, Bravo, Lima, Foxtrot. Oui c'est ça, c'est je vous passe 59 002. 002, numéro 2. « 73. Ok, merci pour le 54, je vous passe 59 003. 73. So now the bands are starting to open a bit, so we can have a little listen around in the American Morse code contest and see if we can get some of the different states. In this contest, the stations in America are going to be sending their signal report followed by their 2-letter state abbreviation, and we need to send back to them the power that we're using. To make it a little bit more interesting, I've decided to reduce the power on the radio. I'm not going to be using the linear amplifier, which is what we'd normally use, so I'd normally be sending 400 watts. And I've also turned down the power on the radio as well, so I'm actually only going to be using 50 watts to make these contacts.